Proverbs 18:22, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Hey guys, so I'm like walking. I'm like walking over here. Like, look at this. You gotta see it. It's like a walkway, you know, like a bridge. Like, see, I'm doing new things. Look at this lamppost. Ooh, getting ready to go to London. Yes, Hunty, yes. Let's talk about it. So, I'm gonna show you. It's like a lake or something. It's so beautiful. Look at this cobweb. It's two of them. Can you see it? You know what? Sorry. It's a bunch of beetles. Like a beetle landed on me. That's an omen for good luck, but look. Like, come on now. Oh, look down there. It's an animal. Let me see if I can put my phone in. You can see it? How pretty is that? That's so pretty, right? That is beautiful. Anyway, I am here meditating, you know, having my walk, my daily walk, talk with God. What y'all doing? What y'all up to? What do y'all be doing? So tell me what y'all do to clear your mind. Like when you stressing, because I know we light beings having a human experience, but what do y'all do when you having that experience? That's what I want to talk about. So since it's Mental Health Awareness Month, I really want to tap in. So let's tap in. You know I like to do that. Let's tap in, tap. What's his name? Keys. His name is Keys something. He says that a lot, tap in. Now I see he doing like podcasts. First he was selling gold and anyway, let me not talk about it. Don't talk about people, but I'm just, you know, saying what I notice. So what do y'all do? Look at all this greenery. Whew. Let's have a moment of silence for Mother Gaia and her beauty. Oh my goodness, you hear it? Listen. Gorgeous, right? I'm about to go get some groceries, like some fruits for my daughter's daycare. Because, you know, I'm that mom that supplies everything. Good morning. That supplies everything. You know what I'm saying? So I have to do it. I'm walking. He's walking his dog. He was looking at me. He listened to his music. I don't know if you can see him. See him over there? I don't want to blow him up. But anyway. You know, people always on my walk. They so beautiful. So, you have to change your mindset if you want to attract what you want. I was looking at Mark Hartenberg. I'm going to put a link like down in the description box. But y'all know him, Mark. Basically, he's the lottery winner. He wins all the time. He manifests lottery wins and wins it. Y'all got to check him out. Get to it. Get into it. That's what I do in case y'all nosy people want to know. Not the good ones, the other ones. The fake haters, the frenemies. What they call them? What I call them, frenemies, energy vampires. You know, the succubuses, all of that. Oh, yeah. Anyway. Woo. So, change your mindset and attract what you want. So, I'm about to go get, child, honey. There's a lot of cobwebs out here. Woo. So, did you take a moment and give gratitude today? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. Do you give gratitude when you wake up? Y'all thankful for life? You thankful because you woke up? Because I know a lot of people, they not. Because tomorrow's not promised. Your house could blow up. You could be in a car accident. People die every day. Especially when I used to work in a hospital. People used to die all the time. Like young people. And people thought I was really young. Like you see me now. People think I'm young. But when I was younger, I used to look like a child. It's crazy. But did you give gratitude? Like when you woke up? Like what did you say? Was your first thing you did grab your phone and check your email and check your electronics? that basically suck you dry. Did you know electronics basically send out frequencies? Did you know that? And they mess with your mind. They mess with your mental. So if you don't smoke, even if you don't smoke weed or whatever, you still have electronics that mess with your brains. Yeah. But anyway, that's neither here nor there nor anywhere. They have crystals for that. Like, I have it in my pocket, but it's a crystal you could carry, and it repels the frequencies, the waves. Just like when people say don't stare into a laptop, that's the same thing. But I don't really know. But they have these journals now that come with the coloring, like the coloring scheme. So I'm guessing like your energy waves or your brain waves that connect to the colors. I don't know. It's all connected. Did you know that? What's happening? Oh, look at this bird. Oh my gosh. Can you see it? How pretty. Look at her. Wow. Are you see beauty? Beauty is everywhere. Like me. A goddess. Look at this. Huh. Ooh, look at this empress. Look at me. Look at me just walking. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. People know me over here. They know I'm always on the phone. They probably think I'm talking to somebody. But like I always say, don't judge a book by its cover. Okay, I see you. So there's a journal. So if you color, they have adult coloring books. So just get some and open your imagination. Did you know like your imagination is basically the key to your life? Like you are the author of your life, not nobody else. When you were a child, yes, your parents, they push you and they shape you and whatever. But once you leave and you can do it on your own, you're basically the author. So you have to take that pen and grow up. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be rich, if you want a life of abundance, you have to basically make it. You have to make it. It's not nobody else. Nobody else could do it. Because, oh, what does it say? Let me show you something. So, I'm walking. It says, we all live downstream. I'm not so sure. It said we all live up. You can see it? We all live downstream. I don't know. I don't know what that means. I thought it was like some kind of, you know how they be like protect your heart in New York? They say protect your heart a lot. But that's not what it said. We all live. Anyway, back to what I'm saying. You have to be the one, be the narrator of your outcome, your destiny. Write your destiny. Even though your story is written, you can still write it. You can rewrite it. Did you know that? Like all light beings, light workers and empaths, earth angels, what is it, white witches, all kind of different things. They all call different things, but they could go into their Akashic records and they could change it. Nobody else can. So all you freakazoids that think you could change something, oh, thank you, that think you could change something, you can't. Once the person, like who you trying to attack, they know about it, they send it right back to you. That's why your life is messed up. That's why you don't want in poverty. Whatever you send someone, you get it back. That's how it works. Especially when they in their purpose. You can't touch them. You can't. They untouchable. Like me, they untouchable. It's like you trying to send me bad eye, evil eye. Even if I take all these necklaces, all of this off, I don't need it. I just wear it because I want to. But I don't have to. On another note, what I'm saying is take the journal and write what you want. So if you want to wake up, first thank God. First be grateful. Because if you're not grateful for the SHIT show that you in right now, God is not going to bless you, honey, with nothing better. So please believe it. You know why you still there where you at? Because you're not grateful. You don't appreciate it. That's the reason. That's basically the reason. So why would I give you something bigger if you don't even like the little thing that you have? Nah. No. So anyway, I'm at the supermarket now. But Like I'm saying, y'all gotta do better. If you want a different life, change it. Anyway, be the reason someone smiles today, guys. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Check out my Etsy shop. And I'm about to put, oh my goodness, my customer, the reviews that it was so beautiful. I just love him. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, JT. So anywho, I'll see y'all in the next video. Check out my Etsy shop, Nova's Kitchen. One word, if you love cooking like I do, and protect your energy. And, you know, write your book. Make it happen. Talk about how ratchet this is. I went in the supermarket and this is what they had. Okay, SNOOP. I was like, nah. Can we say ratchet? Wait, can we say ratchet? Ratchet? Okay, I'm so done. I can't. See y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.